How to update your name servers at oneandone.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through oneandone.com and starts from their homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's name server settings. Click Login to sign into your account. Enter your domain name and password, then click Login. Then click the Manage Domain button. Click the Edit DNS Settings link. Under Name Server Settings, select to use Other Name Servers. Enter your new name server settings. Click Save when finished. Click Yes to confirm. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at oneandone.com.